I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying which Office 2013 edition is installed and whether it's currently activated. This prevents mismatches. Open an Office application as administrator because changing keys requires elevated rights. Once done, keep the new 25-character product key in plain text so you can paste it without typos. Make sure Windows updates are applied, since Office needs certain activation components. If you skip that, the change may fail. Now, proceed to the Account and Installation dialogues to enter the new key. You'll now replace the key through the app's activation flow to ensure licensing updates correctly. Open File, then Account, and choose Change Product Key. Type or paste the 25-character key exactly, including hyphens. If that option is hidden, go through Control Panel, Programs and Features, select Office 2013, click Change, and choose Enter a product key. This route updates installer records. After submitting, Office contacts Microsoft to validate. Keep internet access available so activation completes without delays. Finish by restarting an Office app and verifying the account page shows the new product key or activated status. This confirms success. If activation fails, run online repair or quick repair from Programs and Features. Repair fixes registry and licensing files, which often solves errors. Should online activation still fail, use the Phone Activation Wizard or Microsoft support tools. They provide a confirmation ID to enter. One troubleshooting tip: disable firewall or proxy temporarily if activation servers are blocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.